of the last video, we had made the move from Phoenix, Arizona to the Pacific Northwest and purchased this 1964 mid-century modern fixer-upper. But the deal was not quite done. For the next couple of weeks, there was a lot of waiting. In that time, our sample collection grew quite a bit. We tried out some visualizations and did some shopping. Until it was time to sign the final papers. And a couple days later, get the keys.
I think it's over here.
Okay.
Big old red ball.
They left us a gift. It's a housewarming
I don't
present.
know how to get in there. But that's where the picture is.
That's what it looks like.
We got a wheelbarrow. Forgot what it looked like.
Uh-huh. Got one. All right. Let's go. Let's check it out. You ready?
Come on, boys. Out there. What do you think? Hi, baby. It's your house now.
I think this is just a box with a lid on it that we can pry off, and then there's probably lags underneath that have it lag to the brick.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Where's the other light? Where's this thing? Come on. There's lights coming on underneath there?
No.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Where is this light?
Custom. Also, I hate this so much. I can't wait to rip this off. Sweet security system. What do you think that's from? 1980? Oh, wow. Date installed 1983. I was so close.
I'll just put some mud over the top of this and we wallpaper this.
Yeah, just make it nice and smooth for grass cloth or whatever we decide on.
Yeah.
There was little shelf brackets in here. Here, very tiny library, and there's a different key.
They're just light bulbs.
Are you kidding me?
Those are for real light bulbs.
Yeah.
They're not even LED.
Wow.
This is one hell of a project.
Oh, that's gotta go.
What color that's red?
Oh yeah. I think that would look really nice. This is lavender. I think it's lavender now.
That's gray.
Is it?
That's
Are you
gray. Yeah. There is that stuff that keeps it from squeaking.
Yeah.
And then it's just the regular, it's not even luxury laminate, but it's a laminate click flooring.
Yeah. And then subfloor.
No, subfloor.
No hardwood.
And then you have this. Ready for it?
I'm ready. Oh, my sinuses. These are actually nice. I was like, they're actually.
No, we're not keeping this.
No, I mean, use the wood.
I'll just rip this off, fill this with drywall. I'll texturize the whole wall.
Yeah, and then we'll have our built-ins on the laundry side.
Yeah. I didn't put no f***ing plug on there.
Oh my God.
Yeah, they lied about that.
Yep.
Oh, there is a 3-pronger. Looks good here, but everything's ran. Jesus Christ.
Just everywhere. What's this for? What is that for, huh? Why is there a phone jack cover next to it? You think it's gonna be a dog wash? Let me make you a nicer one. Yeah. So these apparently, that brand, can catch fire They can also say that they're off when they're not and have been recalled. So that is a number one need to get fixed. Why are the hinges rusty? What do you think? Does that pass inspection? No, it does not.
I just don't know if it leaves behind this wall, because all they did was put some caulk around it.
I try to get him to use the ramps and he just uses the stairs.
I have to have a suit on to go under there.
Really, it's gross.
Uh-huh.
Like, how wet is it?
I mean, there's no water sitting down there, but it is as wet as could be. Oh my god, this is just giving me anxiety. All this has to come out to put the new stuff in.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a longer project than I thought. I thought that was gonna be that here. So this is all gonna be tough. You got your tape measure?
Yeah.
Start now. Let's just do 5 feet. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna measure over here, baby. This is gonna be. So there's 6. This little something.
And Title did have a key for us.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, he's so tiny. He's so small.
I think we're both feeling a little overwhelmed about what's ahead. But
Yeah, totally.
exciting.
If you need help with any contractors or vendors or whatever,
He literally thinks this is just for
Uh-huh. You think that's your cubby?
I want a barfinger.
Oh, wow. Nice. Who is that, coffee? Mm-hmm. Good. I
I do have to stop.
Since we couldn't get the keys until the late afternoon, that is about all we could do for today. However, tomorrow is going to be jam-packed. Some things may have shifted a little bit during shipment.